What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay, and so today we're going to take a quick look at the iPhone 12 mini's cameras. Now, I had put up a video on the iPhone 12 mini's cameras, and the auto HDR on there totally destroyed that. It was just way off, so I ended up taking it down. And I was making sure, I was like, man, the video can't be played in HDR on this phone. And sure, it can be played. HDR videos can be played on the iPhone 12s. And for some reason, the content that I did from the device itself, something happened where it was overexposing everything. So you want to take a look at the cameras again here. For some of you guys that actually saw that video, a few of you might have saw it and some of you didn't before I got a chance to take it down. But we're going to take a deep dive into the iPhone 12 mini's cameras because the iPhone 12 mini's cameras are actually really solid. So I did take a lot of photos since I've taken a lot of photos since I've had this device, and some of them I'll debut them in this. I'll show them to you in this particular video, and then I'll try to see if I can get some of that video footage that I actually did in this video as well. So let's start by taking a look at the photos and any footage I grabbed from this device, and I'll talk about it next. So the iPhone mini, when you're recording with the front-facing camera, it's off the charts. The detail that you get from recording video with the iPhone 12 mini's cameras, it's just fantastic. I'm surprised at how well it actually does. And this is something that is video footage from the iPhones have pretty much always been really good. And I think it's going to come down to your preference for one. But I think that video on here, when I compare it to other phones, it has more detail than a lot of the other devices that I tested against. And the Pixel included. Let's be clear here. I love the Pixel cameras, but they need the right lighting in order to get that really crisp look. And with the iPhone, I can pretty much fire these cameras up at any time, and I can have great footage, and it's going to be good. Now, photos are another thing. Photos on the iPhone 12 mini and just the iPhone 12s in general, the front cameras are pretty much all the same, and the rear cameras are as well. You get the main shooters are ultimately the same. But I think the cameras on here for taking photos, they are really solid. And I think what I'm going to have to start doing in order to get some good photos that I'm used to with the cooler tones is start using some adjustments to the photos, because it gives such a soft, warm tone, and that's not my favorite look. But I won't take away from that because the photos are really, really solid. I like to take portrait shots. I like to do portrait shots on any camera that I use. I just think that's the best look if you can get it right. That's why I shoot all my videos with the 16mm lens pretty much. On my A6100 with the Sigma lens, 16mm lens. This setup to me is a great setup for me because this is the type of quality that I prefer. Now, while cell phones don't give this type of quality, the iPhone 12 mini definitely does very well with portrait shots and just most of the photos that's taken from the iPhone 12 mini. And I think it's always going to be preference. I don't talk about dynamic range and all these different things. I just tell you if the photos or the video quality is good. I'll leave that to the experts. I am so not an expert. I'm not a photographer. I don't claim to be, but I do know how to pick up a phone just like the average person and go ahead and press that capture button. And that is where I want my phones to be. I don't want to have to fumble with pro mode just to get that good shot. Make sense? And I think most of the world, that's how they view it. And that is where phones like the iPhone mini, iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12 lineup, they really do well. Until you start to compare it next to other devices, that's when you can see the differences in what you think you like and what you probably prefer. And that's just the gist of it. The iPhone 12 mini has fantastic cameras. Video cameras are superb. I mean, superb. They are fantastic. There is no questioning that. And that's just what it is. I mean, again, I've used this phone and my iPhone 12. I've used both of these to shoot video on this channel. And I don't know if you guys even noticed. I don't know if you even noticed, unless I told you. But overall, Video quality on the iPhone 12 mini, superb. You won't be disappointed. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick tutorial or a quick look at, not tutorial because I didn't really show you how to do anything, a quick look at the iPhone 12 mini's cameras. And hope you're enjoying your iPhone 12 mini as much as I am. This little guy is a champ in my eyes. I really like this device. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.